Mm-hmm.
Well, I'm going to try and see if I can catch it.
Whoa.
Yeah, it smells sweet. I do got the water. See? Some Jamaican apple. Here you can wash it off. And then we can start. We're going to dig in it.
Birthday girl, take the first
just
bite.
use a finger and open it.
Okay.
Yeah, use a finger, take off the top, yeah. Or you can dig off the whole top first. Yeah, pluck off, yeah, take off the whole of here.
Yeah, that part.
So you can sink your finger deep. Yeah, you're not afraid, you know, just open it. You're gonna open it wide. Inside it have a big seed in it, so you're gonna open it. Yeah. And then split it open now. Yeah.
You need that for your TikTok.
Yeah, the great Jamaican apple. Mmm.
I got my nails. I can open up my
She don't get it?
I don't have to open up this.
Just squeeze. You squeeze it to the hand, yeah. So it's open.
You got it,
Yeah. Yeah, so this is supposed to throw it. That's the seed, and you can eat everything else. Yeah, that's supposed to throw it. And all these is the food.
Thank you, Jason.
You're welcome. How is it?
Good.
Yeah, that's the Jamaican apple. This is our tradition apple, original Jamaican apple. Yeah. Like how no have an American apple, that round apple. Well, this is Jamaican apple.
I didn't expect it to be white.
Oh.
So you can eat the skin and all?
Yeah. Yeah, you can eat the skin. Because when we eat it, we just wash it off. Sometimes we don't even wash it off. We just climb the tree and start eat it.
Where's another fruit we can get off?
I don't know. I'm going to look and see if no more fruit is around. Oh, that jackfruit. I don't know. It look like somebody doing it there. You know fruits though. You know jackfruit.
You said you know the jackfruit.
Yeah, please. So I pick a couple more so them can have it. I want a good old apple.
The texture is even different.
Yeah, it's nice.
It's more tender than a regular apple.
Yeah. It'll be all harder.
Then you be trying to get it all out the teeth.
Ready?
Yeah.
You just don't eat the apple. She go find a jackfruit somewhere down there. So the jackfruit tree, I know she come up with it and say her birthday gift she just go find. So she a try to open it yardman style. Cause me not have no knife, me not have no cutlass, so she a beat it with a rock. So let's see. Yeah, see the bikes they're coming. Yeah man, bikes are coming in. She gone somewhere else. I think maybe we gotta help her.
Hit it. Hit it down. Smash it.
I try to, let's see, try the bus here so instead of the middle. Yeah, I see like it, but stamp it. Yeah, stamp it on it and see if it's gonna pop it.
Man, he said take it. Take it up and hit it up and down.
Yeah. Yeah, like this.
Oh, like that.
Yeah. See, and then you can tear open. But it's gonna look so sad. She's doing it to get jackfruit to eat, but I don't think no jackfruit is inside it because it's young. So it fall off the tree and stand there till it dry up. So right now it don't ripe, a dry up, inside dry. So no food is gonna be inside, see?
It looks cool though.
Okay.
It's like what's I forgot it's called. It's like she's
Okay, alright, like forget it up more, you see? Turn it on the side now and you're gonna edge you're gonna edge it like here so. So you're gonna bust it open now.
like this.
No, you said turn it sideways.
Like this.
Yeah.
Get it on there. That sounds like a good move.
Yeah. It's open. Okay, y'all.
What's the
He said it's still young, so it's really not like.
Yeah, well she find little food. This is one that can eat. Yeah, she finding food in it, but it don't have a lot. See, she find a jackfruit. Yeah, that's a jackfruit.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Go get it, Nanny. Just get the yellow stuff. Is it good?
It's sweet.
sweet? You said it's sweet?
Yeah.
Oh, I've never tasted the jackfruit. I just see the vegans using it all the time.
Kind of remind me of like a milder pineapple.
Oh, okay. Y'all would need chocolate pills.
Right? I know.
Oh, now so he come your friend.
Who?
Your little cousin.
Oh, Mommy. Yeah, man, good. Boy, man.
Twist it. See if I can get it out there.
But you wouldn't eat that goat.
Right. Eat it straight from. She didn't ask me to eat the goat. It looks like mango.
It's nice.
Doesn't really have a smell.
Yeah, it have a scent, but it's nice.
Madison, he don't want that. He want some jerk chicken. Or pork chop.
Yeah.
Now, how do it taste like a mild pineapple? And they be making spaghetti and all type of stuff. You ever
They
seen
gotta
those videos?
season it with something. Yeah, it takes. I think they said it takes something like.
The dog don't eat
his friend
jackfruit.
You're probably the only person that can talk to him all day.
Well, you know, you taste it? You taste it yet? She taste it?
Did you taste
Did you taste it yet?
No, I and she like you taste, and she's working hard, and I'm noticing, I know she don't taste it.
She probably just want to peel it open.
I
That was a
did.
piece. That's a nice piece.
Who got water from the hands?
You what? It. Oh, I
Okay,
dropped
okay.
it.
Oh, I got a
Hold on. Somebody hold this, please. Like, give me a good old piece. Thank you, Mommy.
You're welcome.
You might need that a little bit later.
I might even go drink it.
That is
Wait,
a good old piece.
She deserve it. She's been
Work hard.
working.
Oh.
Yeah, that's just the
That's the
seed.
same thing.
I got to pull it.
Yeah, I have to pull it from the root.
Mommy, don't bring me into it.
I'm gonna give you a piece too.
Oh. Wait, we want to record you again.
I feel like bananas.
Tastes like bananas to you? You don't like it?
No, and she don't like banana.
But it's okay, I will still feel it.
So she had peel it, peeps, and when she tastes, she's like, no, it tastes like banana. I know why, because it's well ripe. You see, if it was more solid,
It tastes different.
yeah, it tastes different and the peg will come out more firm.
Oh, okay.
But when it overripe, I love it, but when it overripe, I don't like it.
These for you, mommy. Do you good?
I don't want it.
Everybody else gonna take it. What color? I can teach for me. Can you get that piece right there? Got a piece?
There we go. That's good.
Mommy, why are you doing that? That?
I mean, I thought it was a bigger piece.
They got two little pigs off.
It do taste like a banana.
So you threw it with too?
It tastes like bananas though. Well, the American version of a banana. I don't know what a real banana is supposed to taste like.
What do you mean American version of banana?
Because like real bananas are like small, not like the ones that we have at the grocery store. That's a good piece.
Yeah. Maybe. Okay. Ooh.
She's just gonna play with stuff. You know Madison loves slime. This is right up her alley.